Hey everyone, welcome back. Did a card disappear from your Apple Wallet, or is the card you just added not showing up? Here's why this happens and how to get your card back in wallet in about a minute. First, go ahead and open your wallet app and scroll to all your cards. Sometimes the card is there but not set as the default, so it appears further down. If the card is genuinely not there, go to settings and then tap wallet and Apple Pay and then tap add card. You can either scan the card with your camera or type the details manually. After adding it, your bank will send a verification code. Enter that to activate the card. If you're adding a card and it still says the card cannot be added, it might be that your bank does not support Apple Pay. Not all banks and cards do, especially some prepaid cards. Also, check if you've hit the card limit. Apple allows up to 12 cards per device. If you're at the limit, remove an old card first by tapping it in wallet and scrolling down to remove card. Open wallet. So all you gotta do is open wallet and scroll to find the card, or go to settings, wallet and add card and re-add it. Your card will show up and work again, and that's it. Subscribe for more wallet tips.